Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make a super easy and delicious creamy macaroni and cheese. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. So for this recipe, we're going to need 16 ounces of white cheddar cheese, 1 pound of your choice of macaroni, 4 cups of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of flour, 8 tablespoons of butter, and all of our spices that I will link in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to start by cooking our macaroni. So just follow the directions on the box. So I'm going to get my pot and I'm going to add it halfway with water and 1 tablespoon of salt. And we're just going to bring it to a boil. Alright, so once our water comes to a boil, we're going to throw in our pasta. So just make sure that you're stirring occasionally. And we're just going to bring it back to a boil. All right, so now we're just going to boil for 10 to 12 minutes or until our pasta is to our desired tenderness. All right guys, so once our pasta is done, we're going to turn it off, remove it from the heat, and we're going to reserve 1 cup of our water. Okay, so now we're just going to drain our pasta. All right, so now to make our sauce, we're going to return to our pot. We're going to set it on medium-low heat, and we're going to melt our butter. Once our butter has melted, now we're going to add our flour. So just whisk it and mix it in with the butter. All right, so once our butter and flour has combined together, we're going to add our pasta water, our heavy cream, and just whisk, along with all of our spices. So now we're just going to whisk and just mix everything together. And we're going to give this about 4 to 5 minutes. All right, so after 5 minutes, our mixture is ready. So now you want to try it for salt and see if you want to add any more. For me, it's perfect. So now we're going to add our cheese. So just shred it, throw it in there, just mix it. Now we're just going to wait for the cheese to melt. Okay, so once our cheese melts, now we are ready to throw in our pasta. Just mix it in there. Okay, and at this point it's ready, so we're going to turn it off and just continue mixing it. All right, so for serving, I just transfer into my serving dish, and I'm just going to garnish it with a little bit of parsley just to add some color. And just like that, we are now ready to enjoy our delicious creamy macaroni and cheese. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that this macaroni and cheese is seriously super delicious, so easy to make. My whole family enjoys it. And like I mentioned, you can bake it if you want. You know, you could just top it with some more cheddar cheese and then just stick it in your oven. But for me, this is seriously so perfect. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Still hot. Seriously, the best. Hope you give it a try. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make a super easy and delicious macaroni and cheese. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.